toaster oven is a miniature oven powered by electricity. It can be referred to as a combination of both a conventional bread toaster and an oven without an air fryer. This implies that they can be used in cooking a variety of pastries, from slices of breads, muffins, to bagels, pizzas, and more. Steps on how to use oven toaster. Step 1. Ready your oven toaster. Step 2. Prepare the food you want to toast. Then plug in your oven toaster. Step 3. Put the food inside the oven and set your estimated time to toast your food. While toasting the food, keep a distance in your oven toaster to avoid being burned and to protect yourself from the heat. Step 4. When you hear a sound ting, it means your food is finally done. Be careful when you are getting the food to avoid being burned. Step 5. Unplug your oven toaster. Step 6. Wait your oven to cool down before you clean it. When it's not hot anymore, wash the plate and wipe your oven with a clean cloth. And you're finally done.